If you want to use ChatGPT for content marketing, this video will show you a simple step-by-step workflow you can follow right away. Whether you're a beginner, a small business owner, or a creator trying to save time, ChatGPT can help you generate content ideas, write scripts and posts, and even create titles, keywords, and captions for promotion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear process you can repeat for blog posts, social media content, video scripts, and more. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once it loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can start a new chat and keep your work organized. The first thing we want to do is get content ideas for your niche. This is one of the fastest ways to use ChatGPT for marketing, because instead of staring at a blank screen, you can instantly generate topic ideas based on your audience. In the chat box, type your prompt clearly. For example, you can say, "Give me content ideas for my niche." If you want better results, you can be even more specific and include your business type, audience, or platform. For example, you could say, "Give me content ideas for my fitness coaching niche," or "Give me content ideas for my small bakery business." The more context you give, the better the ideas ChatGPT can provide. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will usually give you a list of content topics, angles, or themes you can use. Take a few moments to review the suggestions and pick the ones that best match your goals. If you want, you can also ask follow-up questions like, "Make these ideas more beginner-friendly," or "Turn these into short-form video topics." This helps you refine the list until it fits your marketing plan. Next, we move to the content creation step. After choosing a topic, you can ask ChatGPT to write the actual content for you. This could be a script, a blog intro, a social media post, an email, or even a short caption. For example, type, "Write a simple script post on this topic." You can also add more detail if you want a specific style, tone, or platform. For instance, you might say, "Write a simple Instagram caption on this topic," or "Write a short YouTube script in a friendly tone." When ChatGPT generates the draft, read it carefully and make sure it matches your voice and brand. Don't just copy and paste blindly. Edit it to sound more natural, add your own examples, and include any important details that make your content unique. This is where ChatGPT becomes a powerful assistant rather than a full replacement. It helps you move faster, but you still control the final message. Now let's talk about promotion, because content marketing is not just about creating content. You also need to package it properly so people actually click and engage. This is where ChatGPT can help you with titles, keywords, and captions. After your content is ready, ask ChatGPT, "Give title, keywords, and caption." If you want, you can specify the platform too, such as YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. ChatGPT can then generate a strong title that grabs attention, a list of relevant keywords for search visibility, and a caption that encourages engagement. For example, if you're posting on social media, the caption might include a hook, a short explanation, and a call to action. If you're creating a video, the title and keywords can help with discoverability. This makes your content more useful and helps you promote it more efficiently. A great way to improve your results is to combine all three steps into one repeatable workflow. Start by asking ChatGPT for content ideas, then choose the best idea and have it write the draft, and finally ask it for promotion assets like titles, keywords, and captions. This simple process can save hours every week and help you stay consistent with your content marketing. Here's a quick tip. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Instead of asking for general content, include your niche, target audience, content format, and tone. For example, you could say, "Give me content ideas for a beginner skincare brand," then write a short Instagram post, and finally give me a catchy title and caption. That one prompt can give you a much more complete result. Another tip is to keep a list of your best prompts. That way, whenever you need new content, you can reuse the same structure and get consistent results faster. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple platforms or post content regularly. So to recap, the basic ChatGPT content marketing workflow is: open ChatGPT, ask for content ideas for your niche, create content by asking for a simple script or post, and then promote it by generating the title, keywords, and captions. That's the easiest way to turn ChatGPT into a practical content marketing tool. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.